Yes, mom. Okay, wait.
Flights, more champagne. Different places feel the same thing. As you grow, you see that things change. A 9 to 5 just help you maintain.
What's up, my golden flowers? Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to do a review on CELIE hair. This is not a sponsored video. So right here is just showing their little cards that they gave you. This is basically how to maintain your hair. They did give me a wig cap. They gave me a satin scarf. All this stuff came inside the package with the wig. They also gave me some mink eyelashes. It was so cute, y'all. So this is the brand, CELIE Hair, and now it's time to unbox. So the wig that I got was a 20-inch wig. It was the 613 13 by 6 lace front wig. And again, it's the 613 color. Right here, I'm just showing you how the lace actually blended with my skin complexion. It didn't have a smell to it. I'm just showing you the actual, it is true to that size frame of the 13 by 6 closure. The 4 combs as well as the adjustable straps at the bottom of the actual lace.
What's up, guys? I look crazy right now. I know I look crazy right now. And if you guys hear any kids in the background, yeah, it's my daughter and her brother. Here is the outcome of the unit. I did tone this to the lightest ash blonde. If you guys want to see how I actually got this color, if you guys want me to make a video of how I actually get my wigs to the lightest ash blonde, comment down below, let me know, and I can definitely hook that up for y'all. You ain't gotta worry about it. This is actually how I like to keep and put my wigs on. I actually do not do braid downs because I noticed that I get more shedding when I do braid downs. So I just blow it out and slick it down into a ponytail. I put it in a ponytail. But anyways, all I'm doing is going in, and this is a damp wig. Clearly, I had already just washed out the tone. What I do is go in and I press this on the inside of it. And see, when it's damp, oh my gosh, it picks up on that color so well. Give a review for this. First and foremost, I want to say about the lace. This lace is so thin. I don't even know if this is like their version of a HD lace or not. Probably not. But it's so thin. Like, I have had probably 2 companies that I've actually had lace this thin and this texture. I like that. That is a plus. That is a plus. You can't even really see it, really. I did like that. Now, let me say this. Communication with this company, it was marvelous. You know, they said that when I first ordered it, they said, and this is not a sponsored video. This is not a sponsored video. But when I first ordered it, it was actually saying that it was only going to take 2 to 5 business days. So I was like, okay, cool, I'm gonna get it. You know, I ordered it on the 12th. I was expecting to get it on the 15th. I had started seeing on the 14th, which was my birthday, the 14th. I was like, okay, so let me check to see the status on it. So when I actually checked, it had pushed it back to like the 21st. So I'm like, wait, what? That's not even 2 to 5 business days, clearly 1. So I was like, let me go ahead and email them. When I emailed her, or them, him, I don't know who it was, but when I emailed the company, they actually was prompt on their response, original date or whatnot, and you know, they pushed for that and they got the job done. I'm trying to tell you, they literally switched that thing up. So she said she was going to get it within 36 hours. and it literally came within 36 hours, like no lie. So kudos to you guys for that. And the last and final and major thing to me, I had ordered 20 inches. This is not 20 inches. I don't care what you say. I don't care if they say if you get from the nape of the unit, and you know, when you measure it from the nape of the unit down, it's not 20 inches, y'all. For real, for real. This is like about 18 inches. Like from the nape is about 18 inches. It's about 18 inches. And how do I know? Because I normally get 18 inches on my units. But it's all good. It is all good because, like I said, I'm satisfied with the hair. So just stay tuned. Here we go. I'm gonna be looking at this mirror. Do y'all see the lace? Look at it. It's looking real grayish right here, y'all, but I promise you, it's looking icy blonde in this in real life. What you gonna need? What you gonna need? Your cotton pads, alcohol, handy dandy scissors, of course your rat tail comb. Gonna need some kind of glue, wig glue. You can use Gots to Be glued. You can use the Gots to Be freeze spray or whatever floats your boat. I will prefer, I don't know if you can see it, the bold hold, my alcohol. I like to take a little bit of my alcohol, you know what I'm saying, and clean my edges. That gives you that good sturdy grip. You can have that good sturdy grip. Oh yeah, you're gonna also need a blow dryer. What I like to do is keep the lace on first, okay? I like to keep the lace on first. This is on brand new wigs because it's customizing it. You're customizing it to your hairline. I use the clips to guide me. So the hair clips that's inside the wig, the combs, not clips, the combs. I use those and secure it in place just so I can, you know, it doesn't slide back. So when I pull this down, I'm like, yeah, that's pretty much where I want my hairline, I mean where my hairline is. So you always want it like not even an inch, like I don't even know what an inch is, y'all. I'm so serious. I do it like maybe to the tip of my fingernail. Y'all help me out. If that's half an inch, I don't know. All you need is a few little dib dabs, y'all. Just get a few little dib dabs. Don't overdo it on your first layer. Get the end of that and just go ahead, and I like to do it in a circular motion all the way back. Follow the instructions on how to remove it. It's gonna be okay, y'all. I got edges and I put it on my hair sometimes. For the most part, I put it on my hair because I don't want to have that small ass hairline when people that y'all be seeing. Some of y'all be seeing those. Yeah, I know y'all know what I'm talking about. Y'all be seeing those daggone heads, cause it be their hairline all the way right here. Like, you know that is not where your hairline is. Why? Then they try to swoop them baby hairs, like swoop them baby hairs. All right, so you're going in with your second layer, cause this is already tacky, and what I mean by tacky, I mean it's real sticky and ready to be glued. Do the same thing.
If this is wrong, girl, I don't wanna be right. Got one life to live. Let's have the time of our life. We ain't no fucks to give. Champagne showers and ice. Crack the seal off the lid. Pour it all in the Sprite. If this ain't right, then girl, I wanna do wrong. Yeah, you here for the day, but tomorrow you gone. Got you feeling a nigga. I can tell how you mom, and I'm feeling you too. Wanna know where you going? Where you going, baby? Where you going, baby? I cannot chase you. Where you going, baby? Where you going, baby? I cannot chase you. I cannot chase you. Where you going, baby? Where you going?
What I'm doing right now is I'm just cleaning off the glue onto this, onto the alcohol. Now we ready to stick it, move it, stick it, move it. Take your time with this. All I'm doing is taking the edge, the flat part of my comb. I'm combing my baby hairs back to the back. And when I'm combing, I'm pushing down. So I'm combing and pushing. I'm combing and I'm pushing. I'm combing and I'm pushing.
Where you going, baby? Gonna drive me crazy. Niggas still taking shots, but they still ain't graze me. That shit be amazing. That shit don't faze me. That shit don't make me. They just tryna braid me.
Now you take your handy dandy scissors and slit all the way up to where you got that little spot that you were done at. So go right ahead and slit a little bit right there. Take the other side and slit it on up right there too. So we're gonna turn this way. Now this is the tricky part, you guys, because if you're like me and you got a small little ting ding head, this wig is not gonna fit you all the way from ear to ear, okay? It's just how it is. So you're going to have to customize it. When you customize it, you're just taking this, and again, I'm gonna look right here in this mirror. You are good to go, boo-boo. Okay, so now I'm gonna take the bow hole and I am going to lay it down. Oh, I gotta get some more bow hole. I gotta go purchase some more bow hole.
But I can't be broke. These niggas some damn joke. They pray on my damn fault, but they got no damn hoe. But you get my damn boat. You be my Miss Universe. That nigga before me, you said put you through the work, but he just ain't know your work. I just wanna be fair. Get you out that hood shit. No niggas that's hood rich. He said you dream, but then be on that with shit good shit. I told you dream, but then put you up in that new shit.
And like you can see, it is getting in my hair, and that's no problem with me because I use the proper steps to make sure I take that bad boy out, and I will still have my edges.
Where you going, baby? Where you going, baby? I cannot trace you. Where you going, baby? Going, baby? I cannot trace you. I cannot trace you. Where you going, baby? Where you going, baby? I cannot trace you. Where you going, baby? Going, baby? I cannot trace you. I can't trace you. Where you going? Yeah. Where you going?
All I'm doing is taking that flap that was up there up to the top. I'm taking that flap and I am pulling it down so it can go on even, nice and even. I'm taking this comb again, doing the same step, and I'm pushing it up and out. Pushing it down and out. Pushing it down and out. Pushing it down and out. So I'm taking the flat part again and I'm just crunching it on in.
I know you gotta leave.
I take it from the top right here and just go against your grain of your actual hairline. I'm actually gonna try to do the zigzag. It's a little hard and it could be challenging to some, but it's just to give you like a little more natural, so to speak, hairline. Take your bowl hole. Take your bowl hole. Take your bowl hole. Take your bowl hole. Take your bowl hole.
Hey vlog. Hey, vlog.
You're supposed to be in the bed.
Supposed to be in the bed.
Yeah, you are. You need to get in bed. Why are you looking like that?
Ah! Oh no, what happened right here?
Say bye.
Bye, guys. I'm gonna play with my brother now.
Go play with your brother.
Okay. Mommy,
Hmm?
can I get a fruit snack?
Girl, bye.
Where you going, baby? Where you going, baby?
And you are cutting. Take some more of this alcohol. Go around this lace one more time.
Baby, let me adore you. Please know what about you. I just really wanna spoil you. I just really wanna love you. Been together for a while now. You even gave me a child now. But a nigga still wild now. But you know what I'm a star. All these niggas say.
Alright, once you have done that, get the main choice.
I've been thinking lately, how to make them matter. Climbing up the ladder, running up faster. Showing off on the shit, tell me I'm the master. Make a bitch get my key, suck the dick after. But it's something about you that changed me. Now we sipping champagne on me. Now we dipping, switching lanes on me. But you know I can't chase you. But I'm really trying to. I just really wanna love you.